I just took one single image and turned it into multiple short videos in just a few seconds. And the craziest part, most people using Canva right now have no idea this feature even exists. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how Canva's new image to video tool works and how you can start turning basic images into little videos. Let's get started.
Alright, so today I'm going to try something new here in Canva. I'm in a paid account. First thing I'm going to do is come up here to Canva AI, click on that, and go to Image. I'm going to create a few images for my new experiment. So let's go up here and add my prompt. I want to create an image of a teenage girl running. You can choose any of these, but I'll keep it on 16:9. You could also choose style, but since I've already got it here in the body of my prompt, I won't use these for now. It'll create 4 images. I'll choose this one. Next, I'll click on Open in Editor, and now it's opening up in here for me. What I'll do next is go up here to the eraser. You can choose either. This is a free one, this is a paid one. Since I'm in a paid account, I'm just going to use the magic eraser for now. I'll get rid of that and click on Erase. Okay, that's good. The next thing I want to do is come up here to Edit, click on that, and go to Magic Studio. Next, I'll choose this new thing called Image to Video. So let's try it. So I'll click on that and it'll give you an opportunity to transform your image into a video. You have options, so you choose the smart way or you use the custom way where you can put a prompt in here. Let's try the smart way first. So I'll click right here and now it's actually going to turn my image into a short video. And wow, it's already done. That is so cool. So we took that and turned it into this. Alright, how about we try something a little different? We'll come back to this and duplicate it because I want to keep a copy of it. So I'll take this and go back to Edit, back to Magic Studio, and choose this again. Now let's try the custom method. Alright, let's try this. Girl is running on a white background. Let's see what it's going to do this time. Okay, so it added a background to it again. Let's add it to my design. It'll add it right here. Isn't that amazing? So now we've taken this image that we created in Canva using Canva AI and we turned it into this short video and also this video. So come in here and experiment with this. It's only 3 seconds for now, but Canva is always adding new things. Try it for yourself and I think you'll have a lot of fun.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.